Doing differently this year after last year's Stampede?
Well, last year we learned from all our mistakes last year, so the planning this year was much better in collaboration with Game as well as Centre Management. Really fantastic collaboration between Game and Centre Management with regards to protecting our customers. That's the key thing this year, is to keep all our customers safe and obviously also give them better deals, but our key thing is to keep our customers safe this year.